If you're dating a woman and you sense she's pulling back, and that's very easy to tell. You're gonna feel that in your body that she's pulling back, right? The text messages, she's taking like a whole day to get back to you. She used to get back to you within the half an hour, but now, it's maybe at the end of the day. It's maybe a day or two later. As soon as you know that's happening, stop contact. Now, your fix-it male brain is going to be, hey, let me figure this out. Let me call her. Let me talk her through. Let me send another text. Something must be going on. Maybe she needs my help. Maybe this, maybe that. You're going to be overthinking it because you care way too much. And she can sense that. So what's going on? Why is she doing this? It could be any number of reasons. You could be caring too much. You could be showing that you care too much. You could be too involved too soon. You could be too available. Or she could be seeing some other guys. Yeah, she's on dating apps. She's on social media. She's got tons and tons. It's the amount of choices she has is insane. So you get into fear mode. You get into scarcity mode. You get into this, and you suddenly feel more needy. You need to stop right there and go in the opposite direction. This is why I recommend cutting off contact completely. And I'd say, on average, go a week or two. Even if she writes you back, go a week or two. If you sense this is happening, if you sense she's pulling away, go a week or two. If she's pulling away and doesn't contact you, again, no contact. If she behaves like this and you pursue, her attraction level just keeps decreasing. She's doing this, but she's remaining in contact with you. You still have a chance to make that work out. But you destroy all chances by showing weakness, by showing neediness, by remaining in contact. Go no contact. This will help reset. This will help pique her interest again. If you were too needy, if you were too available, if you were too agreeable, she's going to do this. So you have to show that you're not those things. You have to pull back, still be kind, still be polite, still be a gentleman, but you need to go no contact. I always recommend treating people well. But treating people well doesn't mean being 100% available. You have to understand that your male brain, when it sees an issue and sees a problem, will make a list, deal with each problem, check it off the list, and move down to the next one and solve the problem, move down. You need to fight that urge. Your brain is going to try to trick you. It's going to try to rationalize you getting back in touch with her or trying to get back in touch with her. If you do that, what little attraction was left will go out the window and she's going to say, yeah, I was right. I was right to test him. I was right to pull back. Look how weak he is. I'm completely not attracted to him now. I was, but now I'm not. What everyone needs to understand is if there is no element of mystery, if there's no element of challenge, she will lose interest. You have to understand that all these things you're doing are walking you down the road of failure, are leading to her losing interest. There's some of you out there listening to this and it's all, what's going on? Yeah, but I know, but if I can just, all those buts are why you're alone at night. You have to understand female nature and you have to understand your own nature. When you understand your own nature, you can make better decisions. In summation, you will date women and you will sense them pulling away from you. Every guy goes through this. If you follow this, if you pull back when someone is disrespecting you, not responding to you, pulling back, all of these things, You have no choice but to go no contact briefly, to realign. What will go through her brain? Think about it. Oh, he's not calling me back immediately. He hasn't called me back in a week. Well, he's not needy. He's like, what's going on with him? And she starts to wonder about you. 2 weeks? Oh, what the heck? This guy was calling me every morning saying good morning, which I tell you not to do. He was doing this. He was making plans. He was changing dates for me. He was doing all this stuff. And now he's gone. Why is he gone? Is he with another woman? Does he have another girlfriend? Why? I don't have his attention anymore. I don't have his validation. Maybe I should call him. Yeah. You need to pull back in order to facilitate this happening, in order to reinvigorate the interaction. If you don't do this and you do the opposite, well, you can guess what's coming because you've probably done this before. She will pull away completely. Why did I do that? All women this, you'll start doing these thoughts and behaviors that really aren't true. It's because you need to do this. You need to be masculine. You need to not care so much, especially in the beginning of a relationship. You don't know that other person. Why would you care so much? These are basic things about being a man and how to navigate attraction and find the right person and get to a relationship. All right, if you got something out of this video, go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and we'll see you in the next video.